The cabin of the EC40 is similar to that of the EX40, and is basically unaltered from the C40 Recharge it replaces. This includes luxurious materials and finishes, a lofty seating posture, and creative storage options all over the cabin. Don't expect to see leather upholstery on the options sheet, however, both the EC40 and the new, smaller 2025 EX30 have vegan cabins. The EC40 also has backlit trim panels on the dashboard and doors that glow to reveal an abstract geography map. The biggest difference between the EC40 and EX40 is the former's more dramatic rear roofline. This coupe-like appearance reduces cargo space and rear headroom slightly, but drivers are more likely to notice the substantially greater blind zones it creates. Volvo comes equipped with a touchscreen infotainment system that runs the most recent version of its Google Android-based infotainment system, which is updated over the air. Google Assistant is used by the system to offer voice commands while Google Maps is used for navigation. Although the on-screen buttons on the new interface are smaller and more challenging to press while driving, overall we've found it to be more responsive than the previous Volvo interface. You can get more apps from the Google Play Store. A digital gauge display is also standard, and the fully equipped Ultimate trim comes with a high-end Harman Kardon music system. Volvo provides a full suite of driver assistance systems as standard on the EC40, including lane keeping assist and automated emergency braking. The Ultimate trim level includes Volvo's lane centering adaptive cruise control technology.